So what we're doing today, initially in our opener, is just a quick review. We haven't used the rectangular area model to expand in a while. As you guys have already told me, when I see a set of numbers with parentheses, it represents my height and my width of my rectangle. So the first set of numbers is going to represent my height. So my first height is going to be 4a. So what's my second height going to be? 3. So then my second set of numbers is going to represent my width. What's my first width?
2a.
And then my second width? 5. So now my job is to find the total area of the entire rectangle. So in order to find the area of a rectangle, I'm going to use what formula? Area equals height times width. So I'm going to take my height. And what's my width of this rectangle?
2a.
And what's the area going to be then of this section?
8a squared.
Perfect.
What was that one thing we used to put the percent sign in the triangle? Is it like,
Percent change? No. Nothing to do with it.
No, it's actually what it's called.
Okay, so now what's the area of my top right rectangle? What am I going to use for my height? And my width?
4a.
Which equals?
20a.
Okay, then I go down to my bottom left, my height
3
times my width,
2a.
which equals?
6.
And bottom right.
3 times 5 equals 15.
Okay, now, so I found the area of each individual section. Now I need to find the total area, so I'm going to have to go ahead and combine or add them all up. Now, remember, I can only combine like terms. And I always start in my rectangles like I read from left to right. So I'm going to look at 8a squared. Do I have any other a squareds? No. So I'm going to come up to the right of my answer here and put 8a squared. All right, then I'm going to go to my next rectangle. 20a. Do I have any other coefficient with the variable a?
Yes.
Yes. So I can combine those because they're like terms. When I say combine them, what operation am I going to do here? Add. So it's 20a plus 6a.
26.
So I'm going to put up here a positive 26a. And what number do I have left?
15.
And it's going to be a plus 15 because it's a positive number. And that's my final answer. How many of you guys got that right away when you started it again? So a couple of the kids downstairs looked at it and they're like, oh, because we've done so many lessons since we originally started with this, they had a hard time remembering what to do. So nice job. All right, we got it? Oh, just about.
So y'all doing the same thing downstairs?
Yeah. We're just, well, like look at the dates on the board. So today we're doing 5-1, so we did this May 1st. So we're just a couple days behind, which isn't bad.
Are you doing that with the class that Jordan's in?
What's that? Yeah. I run this class just like I run my co-top. I just give you guys a lot more time to work on your assignments. Instead of making you do Khan Academy, I give you guys more in-class time to work on your assignments. That way, if you have questions, you can ask. All right. So we briefly went ahead and discussed 2a plus 3 squared is going to look like 2a plus 3 times 2a plus 3. You don't necessarily have to rewrite it like I'm going to. You can just leave it as a square if you want. Oh, that's not what I want. As a square if you'd like, but I'm going to rewrite it because I like to. Okay, so my first height is going to be?
2a.
And my second?
3.
And my first width?
2a.
And my second?
3.
Okay, now I'm ready to find the area. So find the area of my first section of my rectangle, Zach.
It would be 2 times 2a would equal 4a squared.
So you told me 2 times 2a would equal...
I mean 2a times 2a.
There we go. Nice. All right, go ahead and do the next one, Zach. One more.
2a times 3 would get you 6a.
Okay. Alyssa, bottom left. So how do I find the area of my bottom left rectangle?
3 times 2a equals 6a.
And bottom right, Vernell.
3 times 3.
Okay. Sanisha, find the total area now. Let's write our answer out.
Okay, it's gonna be equal 4a squared, 12a plus. You put the plus on.
You didn't tell me to put it.
Okay. plus 9 and plus 9.
I get it.
Nice job. Yeah.
And
I'm glad because beginning when we first learned, like when you guys were first learning this, it wasn't easy. So now that you say it's easy, you grasp it, you got it.
I want to take a
I'm
work.
gonna do,
I want
I'm
to take a
gonna do
worksheet
something
like
like this. Yeah.
Pass them forward because now we're gonna do something new. I like this lesson. I like this lesson.
The ones you like, we don't.
Yeah, can I get a worksheet like this?
You already did one like that.
I want that.
All right.